TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is a vital tool for industries such as oil and gas, aerospace, nuclear energy, food processing, pharmaceutical production, and electronics manufacturing. Today, let's explore its use in food-grade pipelines. Food production pipelines require welds that are both strong and hygienic to meet safety standards. The TATE welding machine delivers precisely crafted, contamination-free welds, ensuring pipelines comply with FDA, HACCP, and other international food safety regulations. Its automated orbital technology ensures smooth seams, reducing the risk of bacterial growth and enhancing operational efficiency. From dairy processing to beverage production, the TATE machine is the ideal choice for maintaining high levels of cleanliness and productivity in food-grade pipelines. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, providing tailored OEM and ODM services. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Contact us at info@oaktate.com to discover how our machine can benefit your food production systems.